Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beats videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video. Start the vlog soon. We got some seating area up there soon, and the bar is over there. We got some water stuff. They keep weddings in these places. These things that you see, yeah. And yeah, you have that section of the beach. You have this one. Oh yes, and you guys saw us right here. Looks like high tide today. We went on that yesterday, so yeah. And there's the next one over here that we, oh yes, that's the bar right there. That's the bar and grill. We get burgers and such and such. Ew. And this is like the main part of the beach where most persons will stay, because most people don't really go over this. So we have another one of these thingies, these floating thingy. I think I want to try this one today, because here it's not as deep, so yeah, I might try that one today. One thing that people is a struggle to reach over there, and yeah, it's kind of near to the airport runway. As you can see, it's right there. So yeah, that's it so far. They have the water sports activity booth somewhere over there. So yes, and all of this is across from the hotel, so yeah. another fish tank. This is like in the dining area kind of. extended part of the dining area. It's so cute. If you take a video. Guys, this is not our room, but we're passing. Not actually how we're reaching here, but yeah, that's the vibe. My God, before they catch me. You see how they let me out? Sean, let me in. Alright guys, so we start at the door. Nice looking door. To your right we have the closet. We get iron board, iron wasif, usual with some hangers. Then to the other side, oh, that would be to your left. To your right is the bathroom. Yeah, I would have been here a day, so everything is kind of up but it clean, so I just wanted to do it over. So yes, we have a big mirror with the light above it. We got some towels, we get some knit snacks over here. So we get the usual shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face soap, body soap, tissue, extra tissue. We also get a dryer, and then this is the bath. Yeah, the bath kind of nice, but I don't like the idea of this, that open section here. I kind of leak. Yeah, it kind of make your water come out. But anyways, you're gonna see my roommates. Anyways, alright guys, so this is the room. When you walk in, with stuff kind of all over. So we get a fridge, and we get 2 waters, 2 glass, and the fridge pretty much comes empty, but we put things in here. So we collect yogurt and pineapple this morning. It's not stealing, it's mine, I'm gonna pay for it. Anyways, we also got a TV, and it's a smart TV, guys, a smart TV. So yeah, we got that. We got this dresser into vanity thingy. Yeah, and lamps. It doesn't have an overhead lamp. It comes overhead light. It comes with 2 lamps. Yeah, we got this mirror. Don't mind my clothes, I'm in my bathing suit. A stool at the vanity, comes with the AC, a chair, and then comes with 2 beds. Yeah, and I like that it's a pineapple thingy up there, and the fact that it's yellow. I love yellow, so yeah. So yes, the pillows, I think we needed more pillows. I should need more pillows on the bed. Yeah, we needed more pillows because the pillows are very soft, they're not very firm, so yeah, we needed more pillows. But yes, that's what it comes with. It comes with a nice table, and then I'm gonna show you guys outside. Yes, so I'm gonna bring you guys outside. I don't know how to open it. Okay. Oh, all right, so on the veranda, on the veranda it comes with a table, 2 chairs. That is supposed to be here, but we have to dry our clothes, so we dry them there, and just the AC thing out here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And then we have a garden view. So this is what the garden looks like. Hi. So yes guys, that is the room tour for y'all, and it has a light outside. Let's know if it works. Oh, it does work, because the one inside doesn't work. So yes guys, they block me out. Let them on it. This one, let me take now. Let me dry. May I ask you if it's dry? Something on them blow it. Yeah, dry.
Alright guys, so just a disclaimer, this hotel I went to like 3 times. This was my 3rd time there. However, a lot of the amenities that they have like on their sites and that they usually have are no longer there because of COVID. They say they're just reopening, so like the snack bar, it's no longer open at the moment, and also like their meal choices aren't as, it doesn't have as much variety as it usually does. So just a little heads up when you are booking for this hotel. So yes, guys, editing Shakay here. I just want to come on and end the video. I look a hot mess, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and like this video, comment and share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.